So ketones, coming to IUPAC names. Name alkane. So E is replaced with the one. Okay. Alkanone. IUPAC name for this is alkanone. Okay. Then for this compound, this is called propanone. Propanone. Okay. And this is butanone, 2-butanone. Okay, you have to mention the carbonyl carbon. If more than 3 carbon atoms are present in the ketone group, you have to mention the carbonyl carbon position also. Okay, so here starting from this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so chain having 4 carbon atoms, and at second position functional group is there, and this is 2-butanone. 2-butanone. And cyclic compounds. So starting from this carbon, this is the carbonyl carbon 1, 2, 3. At third position, chlorine substitution is there. So 3-chlorocyclopentanone. 3-chlorocyclopentanone. Okay, and if aromatic ring is present, here alkyl chain, that is given the priority, and phenyl group, it becomes the substitution. Okay, so starting from functional group carbon 1, 2, 3. So first carbon having phenyl substituent. So 1-phenyl propanone. 1-phenyl propanone. Okay. Next, if any substituents, alkyl substituents are present, okay, for example, so this is the compound. Okay, so starting from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon. Okay, and at second position methyl substitution is there. Okay, so 2-methyl 3-hexanone. 2-methyl 3-hexanone. Okay, next, if both aldehyde and a ketone functional groups are present within the same compound, keto group, it becomes a substituent, and we consider aldehyde group as the main functional group. Okay, so according to IUPAC rules, if keto group is present, and also aldehyde group. Okay, so starting from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon. Fourth carbon is keto functional group. Okay, and it becomes substituent. Okay, so substituent is called oxo group. Okay, so 4-oxo hexanol. 4-oxohexanol. Okay. So all this is about IUPAC nomenclature. Okay. Next coming to isomerism. Next coming to isomerism. Isomerism in carbonyl compounds, both in aldehydes and ketones. So first, chain isomerism. So what are chain isomers? Having same molecular formula but differ in the nature of carbon chain. For example, butanol is there. So this is butanol. And chain isomer of it. So this is 2-methyl-propanol. So both butanol, aldehyde, name ends with all, and 2-methyl-propanol. You have to take the long chain here. Long chain having 3 carbon atoms. So root word is prop here. Here but. So 2-methyl-propanol and butanol. Both are chain isomers. Same thing with ketones also. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Hexanone. At third position, carbonyl carbon is there. Okay. 3-hexanone. 3-hexanone. And chain isomer of it. This one. So 2-methyl-3-pentanone. Okay. 2-methyl-3-pentanone. So both are chain isomers. Then coming to functional isomerism. Functional isomers. So both aldehydes and ketones, they are functional isomers. For example, propanoldehyde. So this is propanoldehyde. Propanoldehyde is functional isomer with propanone, acetone. So this is propanone. Okay. So aldehyde and ketone, both are functional isomers. And next type of isomers, next tautomerism. This is also one kind of functional isomerism. So here, this is alcoholic functional group and this is aldehyde functional group, CHO functional group and OH functional group. So this is in alcoholic form and this is in keto form. So that's why tautomerism is also known as keto-enol tautomerism. Okay. And this is vinyl alcohol. So vinyl alcohol, tautomer of it is acetaldehyde. And this type of isomerism is also known as keto-enol tautomerism. One keto form and another one is alcoholic form, which is also called as ol. Next, metamerism. So in metamerism, compounds having same molecular formula but differ in the nature of alkyl group, which is directly linked with functional group here. So this is the functional group and it is linked with 2 ethyl groups here. So this is 3-pentanone. So 3-pentanone is metamer with the 2-pentanone. This is 2-pentanone. Both are having same molecular formula. But here carbonyl carbon linked with 2 ethyl groups, whereas in 2-pentanone it is linked with 1 methyl and 1 propyl group. Okay, and these two are called as metamers. Okay, so this is about the isomerism in carbonyl compounds.